Hello everyone, I'm Vincent White. I'm an employment attorney, and today we're speaking about the infamous OK Boomer trend that's going around. And if you're not familiar with it, what it is kind of a millennial statement, a statement made by millennials that seems to characterize the baby boomer population, the baby boomer generation, as deserving of ridicule because of the state they left the country, the economy, the environment in. It's a very broad statement of disregard. And the reason we're talking about it today is because we've always thought it was an ageist statement, right? A statement directed directly at someone's age, right? It's a negative thing. And it's not negative because of a choice that person's made or because of something that individual has done, but it's negative because only when they were born, right? And turns out we were right, or at least it looks like we might be right, because OK Boomer turned up in front of the Supreme Court of the United States recently. Chief Judge Roberts posed a question: would it be actionable if someone who was considering someone else for an employment position under the phrase "OK Boomer" during that? And the argument was, the attorney argued very specifically, and I'll give the quote here. I don't want to get it wrong. If the decision makers are sitting around the table and they say, we've got candidate A who's 35 and we've got candidate B who's 55 and is a boomer and is probably tired, and doesn't have a lot of computer skills, I think at that point, absolutely that would be actionable, was the quote. And that was a pretty good response, right? I mean, at the end of the day, you do have to have more than just the comment, generally. Just one stray comment will not be enough for an age discrimination claim. But that comment really gives you insight into the inner working of the mind of the individual who utters it, right? If they disregard someone just because of when they were born, how old they are, that is problematic in the workplace. That can't be. That cannot go on. So I think it's really interesting that they showed up in front of the Supreme Court, and I appreciate the attorney's statements when being questioned by the justice, and I'm excited to see how this all pans out. Take care, everyone.